Good morning, all. Myself, Dr. Samir Takle from Maharashtra. I am a MBBS doctor now pursuing MD in community medicine, second year residency at Government Medical College. I had one addiction since last 17 years, that is from 2003, and I was not able to quit that addiction to get rid from that addiction. Though I have strong desire, but uh, I was not able to follow it. Then I get information about that emotional mastery 3.0 from Pawan Panchangam sir's 3 days workshop. Then I subscribe for it and I subscribe it and with curiosity. Then I see the videos attended his webinars, question and answer series, and then with curiosity I see the breakthrough videos from that emotional mastery 3.0 1 to 3. That one is about musical session and the second one is about 4 to 5 minutes. I start simultaneously do that these two procedures with curiosity. What will happen, let's see. But while following the instructions and doing that procedure, I get that feelings what are actually to be supposed to be achieved from that session. And after completing those two sessions 4 to 5 minutes, I immediately take decision that material of that addictions which are in my pocket, in my room, anywhere, uh, in my room and my sacks, I remove all it and throw it in dustbins. This is happens 3 days back at 11 or 12 p.m. Then next 2 to 3 days, I never purchase that addiction material or that means any like cigarette or tobacco pocket or never bought. And I never have a feeling of sensation ki I should take and do that rituals and make me pleasure. Initially, I got pleasure from that addiction, but once I understand the strategies and scientific view behind that, that is mindset, emotional coding of that my addictions behavior and my assumptions from it. So following the emotional mastery 3.0 breakthrough promise session, I able to get rid of this type of addiction. And now I am wishing ki I will definitely apply it for my other emotional issues like negative thinking and fear, anger. And interestingly, once I do that breakthrough session for one time, 3 days ago, then never I want that I should have to repeat it. Means I am not become dependent ki if I do it again and again, then I will get result. When I do 3 days back, then after that I am attending after 3 days this webinar Sunday 11 a.m. Till then I have not done that procedure breakthrough repetitions. So if I do each and every breakthrough with every emotions by understanding its negativity and what I replace it by positivity and go through that session by my positive way and 100% dedication, then I will and everyone will get that successful result from it. That's it, sir.
So very nice, Dr. Samir. You got breakthrough. So let me ask you questions. What and all you have done to get out of this addiction earlier?
Um, First, self-help books, then positive thinking, then self-motivation. Sometimes I go through the uh, counselors and try to take for 1 or 2 weeks that Zyban, that is uh, bupropion medicine also. But these are mostly it depends upon everyone says ki it will depends on while you if you want to quit the addiction then it will depends on your willpower, but how to increase one's willpower, because all is set in our mind, that is that coding and that belief system and that assumptions and that neuronal means all is set in brain, and to break it there should be there must have some scientific process, because we know all key subconscious mind and take positive affirmations, hypnotism. I tried all this. I read, I saw the videos, I attend the seminars previously, I follow the processes, but once you get the idea or you realizes that our coding or some neuronal connections about every our emotional assumptions about how we label after every our emotions arises in your body, we label it with something and that fix in our mind, and how to break it, that is the fundamental point here I understand from this breakthrough phenomenon.
Very good, Samir. So all the very best, and I request you to go through all the processes and come out of it. And every Saturday you have live Q&A session where you can share many more success stories.
Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you. Bye, Sandeep.
Good day sir. Okay, bye.